In this tutorial, we'll address the issue of editing your TikTok profile too frequently. This problem can sometimes lead to app lagging or other issues. Let's dive into the steps to resolve it. Firstly, long press on your TikTok app to access the app info. From there, you can clear your app data or cache. This helps in refreshing the app and can resolve the editing issue. If clearing data doesn't solve the problem, you can consider uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app. However, keep in mind that this might delete any drafts you have saved within the app. Another option is to try TikTok Lite, which is available on the Play Store. This version of the app might allow you to edit your profile without encountering the same restrictions. If none of these solutions work, the best course of action is to wait patiently for 24 hours before attempting to edit your profile again. Sometimes, the app imposes temporary limits and waiting can resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of editing your TikTok profile too frequently and enjoy a smoother experience on the platform.